Here's a crazy fact. 80% of your results often come from just 20% of your efforts. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. And once you understand this rule, it can completely change how you study, work, and even live. Let me give you an example. Think about studying for an exam. You don't remember every single word in the textbook, but usually around 20% of the chapters, the important ones, give you almost 80% of your marks. Or take your phone apps. Out of 50 apps, you probably use the same 5 every single day. That's the 20% giving you 80% of the value. This idea is called the Pareto Principle, or simply the 80-20 rule. It basically says, not everything you do is equally important. A small part of your effort creates the biggest impact. The rest? It doesn't matter as much as you think. Now, how can you actually use this rule in your life as a student? Let's break it down. Number 1, past year papers. Go through previous exam papers. You'll notice some questions and topics repeat again and again. That's your 20% of the syllabus that gives you 80% of the marks. Instead of wasting time trying to memorize every single page, spend more energy mastering those high-value chapters and questions. Number 2, focus on weak spots. Not all mistakes are equal. Sometimes, a small set of your weaknesses causes most of your exam stress. For example, maybe you're great at theory, but always lose marks in math problems. Fixing that one weak area can instantly improve your overall score, way more than rereading what you already know. Number 3, study materials. Be honest, do you really need 10 different reference books? Probably not. Often, one main textbook and one set of notes cover 80% of what you need. Stick to those instead of drowning in too much material. Number 4, friends and environment. Yes, even your social circle. Out of all your friends, maybe just 1 or 2 truly motivate and support you in studying. Spending more time with them will boost you way more than hanging out with the entire group that distracts you. The 80-20 rule is everywhere once you notice it. A small part of your effort creates most of your results. The key is to figure out what that 20% is and then double down on it. So here's the challenge. Look at your studies, your habits, even your environment, and ask yourself, what few things give me the biggest results? Once you find them, you'll study smarter, save time, and actually enjoy the process. Remember, success isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things.